Philippines, are you better off today than during the time of my predecessor? The bellwether question every sitting local official seeking re-election should pose to himself or herself of the public to deserve their trust and confidence for one more shot at leadership, according to the President in his address to the Annual League of Municipalities of the Philippines Convention earlier today. Art Lizelle Pardilla has the full report.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. emphasized the intensity of local elections, particularly at the barangay level. President Marcos Jr. said during the League of Municipalities of the Philippines General Assembly in Pasay City.
Ang pinakamaiinit na eleksyon ay linalaban sa local government. Sa matter of fact, palagay ko, siguro mag-agree kayo sa mga mayor kayo, nakikita ninyo ito. Ang pinakamainit na eleksyon ay barangay. Yun ang dahil puro magkakilala, puro magkakamag-anak. Kaya't nagkakapersonalan.
With the campaign period for provincial, city, and barangay candidates is set to begin on March 28, the President reminded officials of their purpose in public service.
Sa init ng kampanya, sa init ng halalan, huwag natin kakalimutan na tayo ay nandito, tayo ay pumasok sa serbisyo ng publiko upang tulungan ang taong bayan.
More than 1,600 city and municipal mayoralty posts are up for grabs in the upcoming midterm elections. As officials near the end of their terms, the President posed a crucial question.
Isang tanong lamang ang mahalaga. Mas maginhawa ba ang buhay ng mga Pilipino dahil sa ating mga ginawa? Kung ang sagot ay oo, alam natin, nagampanan natin ang ating tungkulin.
He encouraged leaders to always carry the same dedication regardless of their next actions.
And whatever path you choose after this, whether you seek another mandate or move on to a new chapter in your lives, I trust that you will embrace the same grit, passion, and commitment to service.
The President assured continued assistance to local governments to improve public service delivery, highlighting key programs such as the Electronic Business One-Stop Shop or EBOS. Last year, 113 local government units fully complied with EBOS requirements, while 1,200 have begun automating their transactions. The government has also rolled out a modernized electronic procurement system, making transactions more transparent and efficient while curbing corruption.
Ay kailangan natin na magamit ang pinakamagagandang teknolohiya upang maging mas maganda ang serbisyo nating ibinibigay sa tao. Ito ay makakatulong para maging mas mabilis, mas maginhawa, at mas accountable lahat ng ating mga ginagawa para sa taong bayan.
From PTV Manila, Lizelle Pardilla, Balitang Pambansa.